Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we'll unearth some fascinating insights about how the iconic Boeing 747 stimulated the evolution of maintenance processes. You'll learn about the key differences between reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM, and preventive maintenance, or PM, and how these approaches can revolutionize your operations. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stay tuned as we dive into a world where technological innovations are changing the game. Let's get started. Let's dive right in and talk about how the Boeing 747 didn't just revolutionize the aviation industry and our global society, but also sparked the need for a more systematic maintenance process. This led to the creation of a reliability-centered maintenance strategy, a game changer in ensuring the dependability of aircrafts. So, what exactly is reliability-centered maintenance? Also known as RCM, it's a maintenance philosophy that identifies failure management strategies for specific assets, but it's not just about identifying maintenance tasks. RCM uses analytical tools and processes to identify long-term strategies that are applicable to certain equipment. Now, you might be wondering, how is reliability-centered maintenance different from preventive maintenance? Both RCM and preventive maintenance, or PM, are proactive approaches that aim to increase reliability and reduce failures. But the key difference lies in how they identify the required maintenance procedures for an asset. Preventive maintenance primarily uses time as a trigger to schedule maintenance events. For instance, after a certain number of hours of usage, equipment might be scheduled for routine maintenance procedures. On the other hand, RCM is not always scheduled as easily. The overall maintenance strategy can be different for each type of asset when employing an RCM process. Some assets may be subjected to time-based maintenance tasks, while others might require more detailed data, such as failure history and performance patterns. When it comes to potential cost savings, RCM and PM have different perspectives. PM, with its fixed time-based schedules for maintenance procedures, can potentially be inefficient when prompting for maintenance tasks that are not required. RCM, however, would advise for more efficient maintenance schedules, but at the price of higher initial costs required to gather all the necessary data. Now let's talk about the tools needed to perform RCM. RCM heavily relies on data to make logical decisions, and the methods of gathering and analyzing data have progressed dramatically over the years, thanks to various technological innovations. SCADA systems, for example, allow real-time monitoring of various points of a facility through a centralized hub. Evolutions of this system make communication between assets even more seamless through the internet. And with all the data gathered and analyzed, a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, helps schedule and track the progress of specific maintenance tasks for each asset. So what does the future hold for aviation and maintenance? With new maintenance tools emerging every day, only time can tell how the future of aerospace maintenance will look like in the coming decades. We're seeing science fiction scenes we only used to watch on TV screens becoming a reality. The Internet of Things, robotic automation, and artificial intelligence, just to name a few. Current trends suggest that the industry is growing with the times and progress will only keep coming. And that wraps up our discussion for today. Thank you for watching. We've explored how the Boeing 747 revolutionized maintenance processes, the differences between RCM and PM, and how these strategies can transform your operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, because the future of aviation maintenance is sure to be exciting.